The government wants you to do business with the suppliers whom you know very well and who is GST compliant. Is this always possible? Hi, my name is CA Jitendra Patel and I am on a mission to help small and medium enterprises with hassle-free statutory compliances. As per the current GST rules, we can take ITC only on those invoices which are appearing in GSTR 2B, and a maximum leeway of 5% is given. Let us understand with an example. If let's say the ITC as per the books is 110 rupees and the invoices which are uploaded by the supplier is only of 100, then the maximum ITC which you can claim is 105 rupees. The remaining ITC of 5 rupees can be claimed as and when it is uploaded by the supplier. This 5% leeway, earlier it was 20%, which was brought down to 10%, and now currently is 5%. As per the recently concluded GST Council meet, the government want to remove this 5% leeway also. And it wants you to know the supplier very well about his business and also his GST compliances in order for you to do business. And it is not always possible. Let us understand the same with two scenarios. Scenario number one, the supplier may be GST compliant initially and may not be GST compliant, let's say after 1 or 2 years because of cash flow challenges or lockdown or anything. And it is very difficult for the business owner to know or keep always checking whether the supplier is GST compliant or not. Scenario number two, what happens in case of one-off purchase? Let's say a capital asset purchase, which may be crucial for the manufacturer to carry on his manufacturing operations. It is not possible for him to check in case of one-off purchase, or in other words, he may not be skilled enough to check that. So should always the business owner should be punished for the wrongdoing of the supplier? I think no, it doesn't make any sense. So I request the government to continue with this 5% leeway and do not create any hardship on the MSME business owner, as I feel most of them are only hand to mouth. Also, do let me know if you agree with my thoughts. This is CA Jitendra Patel signing out. See you in my next video.